Let's make some healthy ginger snap cookies, and it's also a great way to use up that leftover pulp from your ginger shots. First, we're gonna mix the dry ingredients: 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of oat flour, 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. What I think is great about these cookies is they don't have any gluten, dairy, or refined sugars. And they're delicious. 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And now for the wet ingredients: 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And if you didn't know that, the caps are usually 1 teaspoon exactly. And 1/3 cup of grated ginger or leftover pulp from your ginger shots. And then give it a little mixy mix. Now you're just gonna mix the wet ingredients into the dry. And another little mixy mix. I did forget 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Oopsie. Once this is all mixed together, you'll want to leave it in the refrigerator for about 15-20 minutes to firm up a little bit. I put it in the freezer for 5 minutes instead. Now we're just going to roll the dough into 1-inch balls. Smash them down with a fork. I'm just going to add a little bit more cinnamon and also a sprinkling of coconut sugar. I added a few hemp seeds on the top of mine. Now we're just going to put them in a 350-degree oven for about 10 or 15 minutes. Fresh out of the oven and delicious.